Masaya sa wala niya. What's that? It's a? What is this? It's a?
It's a scam.
Ooh, would you like to feed this scam to the fish?
Yes.
What is this again?
It's a scam.
It's their job, but we buy it from them. Oh,
That's your last
this
one
is
na.
the last one, ha?
You
This
already
is the
bought
last
so
one, ah.
many, ah.
Oh, smell your hand. It smells like poop. Smell it. Smells
Inamoy
like
niya
poop.
talaga. Ew.
Ugh.
Smells
Gross.
bad. That's your last one. After that, we're gonna go home na.
No.
Yes.
Oh, ano lang, ito small ano lang, small ano lang ha. Feed it slowly lang ha,
Slowly lang.
Hindi ko pala mainom tong Mountain Dew.
Sama amoy.
Ay, amoy mo.
Ayoko. Ayan, nataktak na naman.
Leia, feed it slowly to the fishes.
That's the last one, anak.
Last one na yan. Ubus na sukli mo.
Wala na nga akong barye.
Ubus na sukli natin sa gasolina kanina.
Talaga.
Nakabibili ng ng fish food. Ang bata yan, pag nakikita ko nagpapakain, kinukuha sa akin. May scam! May scam daw niya. Basta tayo na Tagaytay. Ha?
Oo.
Oy, Teya, no! Feed it.